How to make connection of the fan and Tuya Smart app. Step 1. Ceiling fan power is off. Use remote to open it. These number is to open fan, no matter how high is the speed, just open it, is okay. Step to open the Wi-Fi button of remote, you can hear some beep sounds. And then is to the phone. Step 3. Connect the mobile phone to our app. Confirm the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is opened. Click to Add Device. App will automatically search the device. Make sure Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz, not 5G. Connecting Wi-Fi. Connecting the fan. Connected successfully. The following will demonstrate how to use a mobile application to control the fan. Here is to transfer winter or summer mode. Change the wind mode. Here is that controls the light part. Open, close the light. Adjust the brightness. Adjust the colors of light. That's all. End.